Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever tried to organize your phone contacts and failed? Are you looking to convert VCF format to CSV tabular format? Then this video is for you. Protect your privacy and instead of uploading contacts on random websites, get your own tool and keep it at your disposal. Do you know the file you export from phone to computer is known as VCF file, also virtual contact file, and used by machines to understand the data. Whereas CSV file is for human consumption, where data is in table format. Hence, in this video, we will see how we can convert the VCF format into CSV format. If you like the content, please support by subscribing the channel and liking the video. In this video, we will see how we can convert phone contacts in VCF format into CSV format. This is my phone contacts in VCF format exported from an iPhone. And just in case you want to know how to get phone contacts in VCF format, then you can watch the video mentioned on the top right corner of your screen. Once you get the VCF file, then open it, copy the entire data and paste it in tab phone underscore VCF data underscore raw from cell A3. You just have to do Control V. Once it is done, you just have to click on compile raw data. After clicking this button, this script will basically split the data so that it can fetch the parameters which is required to convert it into a tabular format. So let's wait for the script to run. Once the script is finished, then you can go to Contact Summary tab and click on Get Names button. Once you click it, all the names will be fetched from the raw data to column B. Similarly, you can click on Get Organization Data, Get Email Data. If data is present, it will fetch the data like this. Just make sure that you run script one by one and not in one go, okay, so that it can complete its previous functions. Once it is done, we will click on Get Telephone Numbers and it will fetch all the telephone numbers against these names in column E. Let's wait for it. Now we will go and click on Get Telephone Numbers and you will see the data will start populating, and you can see that it is populating one by one. In case the script gets timed out, then you have to click this button again, and by clicking the button again and again, you can fetch entire data and convert your VCF format into CSV format. Now in the next video, I'm going to explain how you can change your data and then create a VCF file with the help of these blue headers. So stay tuned and let me know your comments in the comment section. Thank you very much.